Private First Class Robert Bernstein, Specialist Frederick Burris. So now as you hear these names, remember, these are not just names. These are people from Gold Star families, people whose nephews and nieces and grandchildren are our neighbors.
No coincidence that we're all here honoring these veterans that gave their life for us to have the opinions we have, to complain, to enjoy, to relish in this country we have. This country is imperfect, but it's the best country in the world.
And my message to you today is to remember and be grateful.
It's my honor to present this proclamation on behalf of our chairman, Honorable Jay Hood, whereas it is incumbent upon this legislature to recognize those individuals who sacrifice in the service to our country, which enables all Americans to enjoy the freedom we so deeply cherish. And whereas the Vietnam War was a long and divisive conflict between the Communist government of North Vietnam and South Vietnam and its principal ally, the United States of America, who lost over 58,000 Americans. And whereas 13 Spring Valley High School students paid the ultimate sacrifice during the Vietnam War.
These students dug out all of the grass from here, and with the very generous, unselfish assistance of Ms. Jennifer Griffith and Roman Chuchak, they put in countless hours as well, getting these beds prepared. America, America, God shed his face on thee.
Why should I feel discouraged? Why should the shadows come?
Do not stand at my grave and cry.
I am not there. I do not die.